I'm going to go ahead and write my select and from clauses down. List the categories. Okay, looks like we are going clear across to product entity because product entity holds the attribute category. List the categories and colors. And color attribute is in product entity. Of shoes manufactured. Ooh, looks like we're wanting a specific manufacturer. So we're going to have to connect product and manufacturer. Sort the results by category and by color. Show only category and color. Okay. Looks like it's already told us what it wants in the select. And we're going to have to join entity product, assign it a alias, and my alias is P. You can name this whatever you want. It could be popcorn. It might get mad because I put that, but I don't think it will. Okay, from product, combine, so join manufacturer, man, on, let's see, what do they have in column? Looks like they have manufacturer ID and column and common. So we're gonna have to put popcorn period manufacturer ID equals man period manufacturer ID. Where, okay, because remember we wanted a specific color and category. List the categories and colors of shoes. Oh, it didn't want any specific category or color, but it did want a specific manufacturer. And the manufacturer it wanted was Puma. So we're gonna have to type manufacturer name because, oh crap, because that is the attribute that is holding the manufacturer name Puma. This, again, this is one of those things. This is already going to order by category and then by color. Since it's telling me that I need to sort by a certain order, I'm going to go ahead and put an order by clause. Just to really be specific, you know. It yelled at me because I had duplication going on. Okay, let's check out this code. We are only printing out category and color. This may look, at first sight, this may look like it's duplicating, but it's not, and that is because the colors are different. Again, with the sneakers, looks like we have a lot of sad, droopy duplication going on. That's not the case because this sneaker is black, this sneaker is blue, this sneaker is blue and orange. So these sneakers are not the same. And they're all manufactured by Puma. And the question, it didn't say to output manufacturer name. But I'm going to go ahead and output it so we can see for sure that that is the only manufacturer we're printing out. And it looks like it is. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Test it again. Save it. And there we go. This is another schema. I didn't put it in there at the time I was telling you about the schema because it looks really confusing. So I also forgot to tell you the different relationships you can have. You can have a binary, you can have a unary, and you can have a ternary. Ternary, guess what it is? It's three entities that all have a relationship together. Binary, that's two entities that have a relationship together. For example, customer entity and sale entity, two entities have a relationship together. That's binary. Unary, however, looks a little weird. That is one. That is uno. That is when one entity has a relationship with itself. Side note, it's kind of like Ariana Grande's song where she's like talking about how she has a relationship with herself. That's basically, I mean, it's not, but I thought that was kind of funny because it, anyways, list salaried employees. Okay, so we know that we're going to want salary, and I'm not seeing that in employee attribute, but I am seeing it in salary employee. So we know we need this entity whose salary is greater than 40,000. Show employee first name, but it's wanting employee first name and it's wanting employee last name, hire date, and salary. I do have salary attribute, but unfortunately I don't have first name, last name, or hire date like like entity employee has. So I know I'm going to have to join employee entity and salary employee. Wow, I must be getting tired. Okay. So employee, I'm going to assign that E. Oh my god. Okay, I totally forgot I named that popcorn. Okay. That just hit me. But join salary employee SE is the alias I'm going to call it. What do these have in common? Let's see. Okay, it looks like for some reason they're not on here. But I can go ahead and guess what they would have in common. And I'm thinking it's going to be employee ID. So let's put E period employee ID. Oh, my bad. Okay. Equals SE period employee ID. It says it's only wanting employees that are salaried. And it's only wanting the employees whose salary is greater than 40,000. So we type salary greater than. It didn't say greater than. It didn't say 40,000 or greater. It says greater than 40,000. So I'm not going to put an equal sign there. 40 grand. It's wanting first name of employee and last name of employee. It's wanting hire date and it's wanting salary. I don't think I have to be specific on the join. Let's see. It might want distinct in there though. It got mad because of, oh, I'm sorry. Okay, whenever you're putting 40,000 in or some kind of number that needs a quote, that needs a comma or multiple commas, don't put them in. Just remember how many zeros you're typing in. I think distinct needs to be in there. Oh, I got mad because I put distinct. Oh, okay. I didn't. Sorry, guys. Once again, I messed up. But it says right here, sort the data by hire date. That means you need an order by. It's saying, I want to order by this. So order by hire date. Now it shouldn't complain anymore. Awesome. So let's take a look at our data. We have, let's see, we've ordered by hire date, where our salary is over 40,000. And we are only showing columns first name, last name, hire date, and salary.